Hey everyone! Welcome back to my channel Learn Now from your learning partner. Today we're diving into one of the most dynamic tools in Power BI, adding maps to visualize our data geographically. Imagine this, we have data that includes cities, countries, and sales values. By the end of this video, you'll know how to take these fields and turn them into a beautiful map in Power BI that brings your data to life, showing exactly where your data is happening across the globe. And for those of you who are interested in going further, stay tuned for our upcoming videos. We'll cover advanced map types, customization, and filters to make your maps even more insightful. Let's jump in and look at the dataset we're working with. Here we have fields like city, country, and sales. This information is perfect for a basic map setup because it includes the geographical locations and the values we want to visualize. If you're using your own data, make sure it includes fields for location like country or city names or latitude and longitude coordinates. These are essential for creating a map in Power BI. To start, we're going to import our data. Head to Power BI, click on Get Data, then select Excel and choose the file with our data. Power BI will pull in your file, showing you a preview of your data. Hit Load to bring it into the Power BI workspace. With the data loaded, it's time to add our first map. In the Visualizations pane on the right, find the map icon. Click on it and you'll see a blank map appear on the report canvas. This is where we'll be placing our data to create the visual. Now in the Fields pane, locate City and drag it into the location box under the Maps field well. Power BI will automatically detect it as a location field and begin plotting cities onto the map. You should see some markers appear, indicating each city in the dataset. Power BI is using Bing Maps for geocoding, so it's able to recognize most city names and automatically place them. Let's make this map more meaningful by adding our sales field. Find Sales in the Fields pane and drag it into the size box under the map. Instantly, the markers on the map adjust their size based on sales volume, allowing you to see where the highest and lowest sales occur across different cities. This visual scaling is what makes maps in Power BI incredibly useful for showing not just locations but the data's impact at each location. And here's a great tip: try adjusting the zoom level of your map. If you're focusing on a particular region like Europe, use the zoom controls to zero in. Power BI will remember your zoom level, so every time you open this report, it'll keep that view. Now that we have our map set up, let's take a quick look at some customization options in the Format pane. Here you can change the map style. Switching from road view to aerial view can sometimes add extra context, especially if you're presenting data that's tied closely to geographic features. You can also adjust the colors of the bubbles to create a more personalized look or match your brand's theme. Additionally, adding data labels is a great option as it displays the exact values right on the map, making it easy to see the numbers at a glance. To wrap up, let's talk about the next steps. In our upcoming videos, we're going to dive even deeper into Power BI's mapping features. We'll explore different types of maps like filled maps, which allow for color shading by region. We'll also get into customizing maps even further, choosing colors, transparency, and layers to tell specific data stories. And finally, we'll cover how to add filters so you can focus on particular regions or data sets. That's it for this video. Now you know how to create a basic map in Power BI using city data and sales values, and you've seen how to adjust some basic settings. If you found this video helpful, make sure to subscribe and hit the like button so you're ready for the next video where we'll take your maps to the next level. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.